Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe our channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon to never miss any update. How to get rid of yeast infection. Millions of women suffer vaginal yeast infections every year, including painful infections that re-emerge just when you think they're gone for good. In fact, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, estimates show that around 75% of all women will have a vaginal yeast infection at some point in their lives. If you have recurring yeast infections, or if you simply don't want to go the prescription route with an antifungal cream, there are other ways to try to treat a yeast infection. Some of these remedies use ingredients that you might already have in your home. Their effectiveness varies, and evidence for their success is mostly anecdotal. Boric acid. Boric acid capsules can work for women with a yeast infection. These may be especially useful for women with recurrent infections. Some research reports that topically applied boric acid, along with the antifungal flucytosine, successfully treats approximately 70% of women. Watch what you wear. Avoid tight-fitting pants and wear cotton panties to allow your body to breathe and stay cool. Yeast thrives in a moist, warm environment, so keep things airy and dry to prevent a yeast infection from coming back. Yogurt. Lactobacillus acidophilus, a friendly strain of bacteria present in yogurt, can control the growth of infection in the body. For treating a yeast infection, only use plain, unsweetened yogurt. You can externally apply plain yogurt on the affected skin area and let it sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes, or preferably overnight. Also include yogurt in your diet plan. Keep skin clean. Yeast can only multiply to harmful levels when the conditions are just right. The best way to stop yeast from spreading is to keep your skin clean, dry, and free from scrapes or wounds. Practicing good hygiene and taking care of any open cuts properly helps prevent infections. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is fatty oil derived from the flesh of the coconut. The oil has many health benefits, including antifungal properties. Studies have shown that coconut oil is effective against C. albicans, making this home remedy one of the few with strong evidence that it actually works. To treat a vaginal yeast infection, you can apply the oil directly to the affected area. Vitamin E supplement. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that boosts the immune system, and may be effective if your yeast infection is caused by a weakened immune system. The recommended dosage for adults is 15 mg per day. Garlic. Garlic and spices, including oregano, sage, cloves and cinnamon, may help guard against yeast infections, according to UMMC, because of their natural antifungal properties. Using more garlic and less butter on fish and in sauces and other dishes can help keep your intake of inflammatory fats down. Thanks for watching.